This piece of hazel I'll split to make thatching spars. We buy the standing timber and cut these pieces to length. This piece of hazel is called a gad, and after it's been split and pointed, the thatcher buys the spars from me and uses those in thatching roofs. To split the hazel, I'll use a bill hook. This is a spar hook. Just start the split off and try and work it down the pith line using your arm as a lever. One of the qualities of hazel is splits nicely. Try and make spars from these. Again, just follow the pith line. From that piece, I probably get 6 spars. Take a little bit of the weight off. So it's flexible. Point each end with 3 points. That's the finished spar. These are bundled into hundreds, and the thatcher would buy them 10 bundles of 100, 1,000 at a time. That's a finished product. It's a giant staple. The thing with hazel is it splits into fibres, and it's got a springiness. So the thatcher pushes that into the thatch, and it opens itself out and grips onto the roof. That's the finished product. And this is traditional material for using for thatching spars. But you can also use willow. That's the spar maker's product. 1,000 spars would cost between £90 and £110, say. 10 pence each. And a good spar maker can make 1,000 spars in a day. The gads that we use for the spar making are from long poles of hazel, and the finer pole is used for splitting as a weave for making hurdles. And traditionally the hurdles were used for folding sheep, and so a shepherd would carry 4 short 3-foot hurdles to fold his sheep for the night for protection. The byproducts from making the hurdles go into making spars. It's the next stage is to make something from those, which is thatching spars. And from that process of making the thatching spars, the waste material is used to make other products. For instance, with a thatching spar that hasn't quite worked or is too thin, that's used to make kindling in this traditional way, where this split hazel is known as Hampshire pimps. So you need to reduce the size of the spar, and you take a shaving. This is used to make small bundles of hazel kindling as a starter for barbecues. Any small sections could be put into a kiln to make charcoal.